Hey everyone, I'm out here today in beautiful Arizona on a trail literally called Easy Breezy. You gotta love that name, right? It sounds like a promise. We all want to feel like this, simple, smooth, just a walk in the park. But as I've been hiking this, I've been thinking about how often we complicate things for ourselves, looking for obstacles that aren't even there. Now, walking this path reminded me that sometimes the hardest part of the journey is giving ourselves permission to take the easy route. And that leads me exactly to what I wanted to talk about today. Let's talk about when we make things hard in our work, specifically marketing. For years, the hard way was the only way. You'd spend weeks digging through market data, guessing who and what your audience is, staring at a blank page, trying to write that perfect copy, and maybe, just maybe, if you had the budget, hiring a focus group to tell you if your ideas were actually any good. Really, it's a grind. It was like hiking uphill in loose gravel. But just like this trail, there is an easy breezy way. And it's not about cheating, it's about using the tools available to us. I'm talking about AI. I used to resist it, thinking it was just a shortcut, but then I realized AI isn't here to do the work for me or replace me, it's here to clear the path for me. First, let's look at the research. Instead of spending days manually digging for data, you can ask AI to analyze market trends in seconds. You can say, hey, help me figure out exactly who needs to hear this message and when. And it gives you targeting ideas and tells you exactly where those people are hanging out online. Suddenly, you aren't guessing anymore. Then there's the creative. This is where it gets wild. You can actually use AI to create a virtual focus group. You can literally simulate different people using avatars, different personalities representing your customers, and ask them questions. Hey, how does this headline make you feel? Or would you click this ad? It's like having a room full of people giving you feedback before you spend a dime. Then we get to the writing. Now, I want to be clear here. Don't cheap out on the writing. Writing is a personal journey. It's your voice, it's your company's voice, it's your brand's voice. But you can use AI as the ultimate brainstorming partner. You can use it to build outlines, use it to fill in details, use it to find ideas, and use it to find that one word that's stuck on the tip of your tongue. It helps make you craft a compelling story faster, so you can spend your energy on the soul of the message, not just the structure. Finally, the results. When the campaign's done, AI is there to analyze what happened. It looks at the numbers and tells you, here's what worked, and here's what you can do better next time. See? Now, you're still the one hiking the trail. You're still the one doing the journey. But you've got a map now, and you've got good boots, and you've got a clear path. That is the easy way. Take a page out of Arizona's book today. You don't always have to choose the steepest, rockiest climb to make progress. And sometimes the best thing for you to do is just take the path that flows. If this video help smooth out your trail a little bit today, do me a huge favor and hit that like button. It really helps out the channel find other hikers out there. And I want to hear from you in the comments. Is there an area in your life right now where you're making things harder than they need to be for your business? Let me know down below. I read every comment. And please, make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss the next adventure. Hitting that notification bell is, well, easy breezy. I'll see you on the next trail. Peace.